Ladies and gentlemen, may kapitan dito na. This is your captain speaking. Very warm welcome aboard 528 service to Mactan-Cebu. My name is Mon Haugan. Allow me to introduce the rest of the team with me in the flight. This is First Officer Marlo Bartolome. And taking care of your safety and comfort in cabin our core of Airasia's finest Cebu-based cabin crew, Andrea, Khaled, Marika, and Chan. Flight time this evening is 50 minutes with a cruising altitude of 28,000 feet. En route then, destination weather is fair with Mactan temperature currently at 29 degrees Celsius.
Sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride, champions. We're on the seat in front of you. Put your seat upright, fasten your seatbelt, secure tray tables, and keep your window shades open. At this time, all portable electronic devices must be switched to flight mode, and smoking is not permitted on all Airasia flights. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, we will now demonstrate to you the safety features of this aircraft, as your safety is our utmost concern, and the safety features of this aircraft may differ from other aircraft. We ask your full attention to the cabin crew in front of you. This is your seat belt. To fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle and tighten the belt by pulling on the buckle strap. To unfasten, lift the metal flap. Whenever the seat belt sign is on, you must return to your seat and fasten your seat belt securely. Should an oxygen mask automatically drop from the compartment above your seat, immediately pull the mask firmly towards you. Place your mouth over your nose and mouth with a headband tied around your head and breathe normally. Place your own mask first before assisting others under your care. Your life vest is found under your seat and motor landing. Remove sharp objects from your body. Slip vest over your head. Take a tape around your waist. Push and to buckle and pull with tape to tighten. At the exit before you leave the aircraft, pull down sharply the red tag at the lower end to inflate life vest. If the life vest fails to inflate, blow into the oil tubes, push pin inwards to release air. Do not inflate life vest inside the aircraft. The light will automatically activate when the battery receiver is in water, and here is a whistle to attract attention. Evacuation sites are located on all exits. Please note where the emergency exits on the aircraft are located. They are being pointed out to you now. Bearing in mind that the nearest exit may be behind you. During evacuation, leave your hand locked if your smoke is present. Please keep low and follow the flight flags to the nearest exit as indicated. A copy of the safety information card is in your seat pocket. Please read carefully. Passengers seated next to the emergency exits are requested to study the operation of these exits and the safety card. Should a need arise, there are fire extinguishers inside this aircraft. Operation of the device is placarded on the equipment itself. As this is a non-smoking flight, please do not smoke throughout the flight. Smoking in a toilet will activate the smoke alarm, and tampering of smoke detector is punishable by law. Thank you for your attention. For safety reasons, guests carrying e-cigarettes on board are required to switch them off and ensure that the batteries are removed and kept safely throughout the flight. Please be informed that charging of e-cigarettes is strictly prohibited on board the aircraft. The cabin lights will be dim for takeoff. If you wish to read, you may switch on your reading lights. Thank you.
cabin crew be seated for takeoff. Cruising at 26,000 feet, and we'll be starting our descent in the evening. And weather reported over Cebu is good, and expect some light winds coming from the north. And ground temperature is 30 degrees centigrade with a visibility of 3,000 meters. In behalf of the crew and Philippines Airasia, I'd like to thank you for flying with us, and we'll DVO service to you in one of our future flights. Again, pleasant evening to everyone.
Mga Pilipinong inang at noon, sa loob po lamang ng ilang sandali ay lalapag na tayo sa ating destinasyon. Mangyari po lamang na ituminan ng mga upuan, pitupin ang mga mesa, buksan ang tabing ng mga bintana, at ikabit ang inyong sinturong pagkaligtasan. Kung kayo ay gumagamit ng mga electronic device tulad ng laptop, ay dapat nang isara ngayon. Panatilihin na kasara ang inyong mobile phones. Ang paggamit ng palikuran ay ipinagbabawal na sa mga oras na ito. Para sa kaalaman ng lahat, ang pagkuha o pagtanggal ng life vest sa libag ng Airasia ay isang criminal offense at maaaring patawan ng kaparusahan ayon sa Civil Aviation ng Pilipinas. Maraming salamat po.
Cabin crew, be seated for landing.
gentlemen, we have just landed at Mactan-Cebu International Airport. Welcome to Cebu. Please be informed that your arrival will be at Terminal 1. We are pleased to inform you that we have landed 35 minutes ahead of schedule. The time now is 35 minutes past the hour of 6 in the evening. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft comes to a complete stop. Do take care when opening the overhead compartments and before leaving the aircraft. Please check that you have all your hand luggage with you. It was a pleasure having you on board and we hope to see you again soon. If you need any assistance upon arrival, please contact our ground staff. On behalf of our pilot in command, Captain Raymond Hogan, First Officer Marlo Bartolome, Senior Cabin Crew Andrea, Cabin Crew Marica, Galan and myself, Chang, we thank you for choosing Airasia and have a pleasant stay here in Cebu.
Cabin crew, disarm all doors and cross check.
Yes, sir.